Okay, cars like this don't come to market very often. Like for like, the best example of the RSQ3 available in the market today. It's also the Sportback, which is a more desirable shape, but it's the colour, Kyalami Green, on a 2020 70 registration. This car's been cherished for, and I mean it's been looked after properly. It's only covered 20,000 miles, and it's got over and above factory options, which make it the best buy in the UK. One is the sunroof, £1,000 option. Two is the sports exhaust, another £1,000 option. And three, it's got the comfort and sound pack, another £1,000 option. But this is the sport edition, and wow, what a car. It's almost like a mini Lamborghini Urus. If you want the best RSQ3 for sale in the market, then this is it. What a car. Now, 400 brake horsepower, just under or just over 4 seconds 0 to 60. This is a mid-size SUV, Quattro drivetrain. It looks absolutely fantastic. From the black styling package you get with the Sport Edition, black mirrors, window surrounds, and then it's the shape, the Sportback like this with almost coupe styling. It is the more desirable car. Front to back, it's a beautiful condition. RS Sports exhaust giving you that little bit extra from the noise that this car produces. But like I say, look, I don't need to say much, do I? Just look at the car, it is fabulous. And you might not even be looking for an RSQ3, you might be looking for something a little bit different in the colour or the performance, and then this could be it. Then the specification extends into the inside. RS honeycomb, fine nappa leather super sport seat, obviously comfort and sound pack giving you the B&O stereo system, flat bottom steering wheel, reversing camera, S-tronic gearbox. It's also got a Vodafone tracking device, so insurance is all covered as well. It's just a wonderful, wonderful car. And obviously we've looked at the market for these. We're pricing it in the market to sell it, to make sure that you as a customer who are buying this car are getting a great buy. But not only that, you're getting the best example for the spec. Important things on these, things like the sunroof, not a standard feature on a Sport Edition, it's been paid for as an option. Then we look at the wheels. How about these? Gloss black, 21-inch, black RS braking calipers, Audi Sport wheels, all in an immaculate condition. Space as well, practicality. In essence, you know, you've got ISOFIX points across the back, lots of space in the rear for your rear passengers. And we've got the ambient lighting, which is switchable. But then we look at the shape. Look at this little lip spoiler on the back, these extra sections here in gloss black. Front and rear LED light, assisted tailgate, and the boot space is really, really big. Generous boot space, split folding seats, even under the floor. You know, we've got all your gubbins and things still in place. It's lovely. Love it. So, inside, let's have a little look. Comfort and sound pack give you keyless entry. Audi puddle lights to entry level, B&O stereo, full electric seats, using them to move. And then obviously flat bottom RS steering wheel. We've got cruise control, we've got lane assist, and we've got switchable digital cockpit. So the tech pack giving you virtual dashboard, all switchable through the steering wheel. 20,000 miles on this car is nothing for a 70 plate. Obviously the B&O stereo giving you extra speakers onto the dashboard as well into the doors. And then we've got the RS button on the steering wheel, you know, putting you through your different drive modes. It is a proper RS product, so you get all that exhilaration from driving this car, traction control, performance. Alcantara through the dash, which is a lovely sporty finish, and the piano black finish, which almost integrates the dashboard into the technology. Reversing camera, obviously you've got Audi Drive Select to tailor this car and drive it as you wish. You can obviously tailor the drive modes through the drive system, the steering, the engine sound, just to make sure you're driving it as you wish to drive it. We've got smartphone integration. We've got obviously the reversing camera, which I've showed you, navigation, heated seats, keyless entry, keyless start. Just a wonderful car, and the tracking device also making a difference to your insurance. But if you're looking for one of these cars, I'm sure you will not find a finer example in the market. Everything's lovely, everything's, you know, the right specification, the right condition, and the miles are exceptional on this particular car. I'm sure this is going to sell straight away, purely because of the exterior colour. Kyalami Green is a colour you can only get in an RS product. So you've got this car, people know what it is straight away. It's a fabulous order, it's a fabulous performance SUV. Get it bought. Thanks for watching.